Hello, my name is Alexander. This is my second video on my channel, and today I'm gonna go over my trade recap for today, making $3,600 or $1,200 on my 3 qualified accounts. So first things first, I went on the 1 hour. I was bullish before market opens because we have this high that has not got taken out yet. We did have SMT on these highs, which made my bias a little weaker, as you can see right here. I did eventually change my bias after we made this dump, but we got SMT at this low. Why is my thing not working? We got SMT like somewhere around here, and I was actually taking a long. So here we got an SMT at this low, and we had a 2-minute gap, which was the highest time frame one. So I did actually take this long setup after this inverse, and I went break even after this high right here got taken out. So fortunately for us, we did actually end up being break even instead of a big loss. So I was just targeting, I think there was a 5 minutes somewhere, but let's go to the actual trade. So we were just beginning to dump, and I would look for a continuation further down to this low. Yeah, this low right here. I saw that we retraced into a 15-minute gap, and then my first rule on the continuation model is to take a 5 or 15-minute retrace. If you're bearish, then you're gonna go for a bearish 15 or 5-minute. So I went on, I saw the retracement, and I could see that we almost took out this low. We barely didn't do it, so I was going to short to that low. We retraced into this 15. I went down on the time frame, and I will look for the highest for value gap to inverse. There was no 5 minutes. The highest one was a 3 minutes. So I took this 3-minute short. I don't think I have my stop loss right here. Let me click this shit back. When this 3-minute got inversed, I entered, and I was 0 drawdown, and we made like, no bro, what the fuck? Did I have my stop loss like here maybe? Since I got 1,200, I risked $1,000 on this trade. I have a mobile recording that I sent to my Discord, and we could see that this trade did end up hitting, so that was nice. I have had a break in the last 2 weeks because we were just trading at all-time highs, which I don't like. I did actually take a really dumb trade, and after that I was going to take a break from all-time high setups. So we're beginning to move pretty good right now, and I'm waiting for my payout from my alpha futures right now, which is pretty good. I requested what did I request? $3,500 on the 3 accounts, like 100k Norwegian kroners, which I maybe get tomorrow. I hope so. But yeah, that was my trade recap for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and comment on that shit. If you don't understand, I can make maybe a model where I explain why I took the trade and how my entries go. So I can just try to explain this shit in 30 seconds. So my first is liquidity sweep. So if we get a sweep, I will look for a inverse to the upside to maybe target a unfilled 5 minutes. And if we were just moving in the same direction, I would look for a retracement into a 5 or 15 minute, which we got today, and look for the highest inversion to the nearest low. And we have this excellent draw of liquidity from yesterday. So that was my bias. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.